Okay, hi, I'm gonna do a 10-12 minute video real quick. I gotta run through all this stuff real quick. I'm gonna be going over char, variable type, put char, get char, and then finally gets. So I already pulled up a quick Emacs just to save some time. So you can follow along if you want, but I'm just gonna jump through the stuff real quick. Super simple stuff. You could say hi. All the put char does is puts one character. Char, C-H-A-R, stands for character. So put char will display one character. That's it. I guess it could, be useful for some stuff, but I probably wouldn't use it so often. But it's good to know, good to have. Well, we'll take that off. But yeah, so I could say hi by just doing that. And we'll save this real quick. Hi, that's it. And you can just do as many as you want. Like, I'm telling you, you could do a crap load of them. And just write something out. Or instead of doing all of that, you can, there's easier ways to spell stuff, like printf, which I will be using later. But okay, now let's go into, let's go into get char. Let me have a look. Get char. Okay. We can say get char reads in one character from the keyboard, and it can be a number or something like that, but I'll just demonstrate it real quick. Char will say U. Then we'll say printf, please type a character. Then we'll say, how would it be? It'd be U equals get char. And then what that's going to do is set the character U, which we called right here, equal to whatever reads in from get char. So like whatever we type and hit enter, it's going to set that to U, and then we're going to print U right down here. You typed, I think that's wrong. Okay, you typed, it'd be %C, which is a character placeholder, and not C. Then you have to call U. So let's jump out of here and run this. Please type a character. We'll say G. You type G. So it's super simple stuff. So yeah, it's simple. Get char just reads in one character, so if you're running a great big huge program and you just need to type in one character, I guess, I don't know, but I guess it could be useful to know, but it's good to have. But more now gets string. It's a very cheap, generic, sloppy function, but it is very, very good to know. It's very good to know. So, with that said, we can go ahead and actually, I want to do a little more on get char real quick. Let's let's do a little more on get char actually. So char, letter, and number. Then we can say shows letter. Let's see. What's your favorite letter? And then you have to run letter equals get char like we did before. So what that's going to do, well here, let me finish this real quick. Let's say then it's going to be okay. Now let me do this last little bit. Your favorite what do we say first? Letter is %C, and your favorite number is %C. Is that right? I think that'll work. Now we have to call letter, because you said your favorite letter, so that'd be first. Letter and number. Okay, so what this is going to do, we'll start from the top. We're going to call two character variable types. It's going to print to the screen what is your favorite letter, and then we'll type in something, and the function getChar, whatever you type there is going to set whatever you typed equal to letter, store it in letter right up here, and then it's going to print what is your favorite number, and then whatever you type is going to store it into number, and then print this printf, say what is your favorite letter is %C, which whatever we type, which is going to be stored in letter, and %C here, which is going to be stored in number, which is whatever we typed, which will be stored in number. So super simple. Yeah, let's run this real quick. What's your favorite letter? We'll say A. Huh. Favorite numbers U. That's weird. Okay, I can't waste time on that though. Okay, now, but you get the point. Now gets. Now we're back to gets. We can. Let's just make something up real quick. Character. Name. Now we gotta set name. We have to set a. Oh, what's the word I'm looking for? An input value, like how much input we'll be able to put into it. So we'll say 20, well, say 30. Could have a big name. Okay. And we'll print formatted text. What is your name? Then run get char. So I just said get char. Whoops, I meant gets. Okay. We gotta have that there. That's why this stuff won't tab out. Yeah. Okay. Gets then print f. Your name is %s. %s is a string placeholder, so. So what this is doing is we're setting a character variable type name with an input of 30. We're gonna print to the screen what is your name. Then the gets function is gonna run and look for something that you've typed in, and whatever you type in, it's going to set whatever you typed in into the name character variable. So while whatever you typed is just sitting there in name, printf is going to run your name is %s and then name. So that should make sense, but we'll run it real quick. What is your name? Oh, just a second. We can't see that. What is your name? But yeah, super simple. It's kind of a, I probably wouldn't use gets. How you saw that it was yelling at me down here. Up here, warning, this program uses gets, which is unsafe, which it is. But so I mean, gets is good to have, good to use, or I mean, I don't know. But yeah, so I think that's the biggest topics on what I was given to go on a video about. So, yep.